Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage, and today it's Titan Tuesday, and we're working on the '08 Titan. Today, AC stuff. It's Phoenix, Arizona. It's getting hot, so if your AC needs a tune-up, let's get to this. Let me show you how to do it. You know, I live in Phoenix, Arizona, and it's not even May yet, and look at that. We're talking 93 degrees at 11 o'clock in the morning. I got it set to 60, but it just doesn't feel cold enough. Let's find out what that temp really is, and let's see if we can fix it today. All right, this is a digital temperature gauge, and I'll have a link down below for this and everything else on today's video from my Amazon store, and I do appreciate you selecting those and buying those. So you're gonna turn it on, you're gonna point the little red, look at that temp. That's not very good temp. So let me show you how to fix this. Go ahead and get underneath here, pop your hood. And oh yeah, we got Titan shirts. Help support the channel, get you a shirt. There's a link down below to buy yourself a Titan Tuesday shirt. Let's get back to this truck. All right guys, so on your Titan, right over here on the driver's side, there's a little black one. Now you also have one on that side over there, but that's not the one we're gonna use. So we're gonna take the cap off, and you can see that little port. So now, you take your AC charger, and you pull up on that like that, sticker on there, and push down, and you'll feel it engage. Then grab the reader and turn it on. Now it's going to read right there. It says 27 psi. It's in the green range, but it's kind of on the low side. So what do? It's pretty simple. You read what it says. It says pressure's good, fill until vent air is cold. Well, that little trigger button there, you hold it down and then rock this. And then check. 32, 31. So let's keep going. We're going to go up to about 40, I think is what we're going to try to achieve here. Okay, we're back in the Titan. Let's see what our readings are now. 53, 52. Oh, it's getting colder. Heck yeah, look at that. 47, 46, 44. I can survive another summer in Phoenix, Arizona now on my Titan. Thank goodness. All the tools you necessary, about 20 bucks for the gun, 20 bucks for the charger, and then a can of 134A is running like about 10 bucks, 12 bucks, depending on where you buy it at. And the one can should last you for a couple years or multiple vehicles for one summer. So with that, guys, thank you so much. If this video was helpful, if you learned something, if you saved a couple dollars instead of taking your vehicle to a shop and you can do it yourself on the weekend, give me a big, huge thumbs up. If you're a Titan or Armada owner, please hit that subscribe button and check us out on Tuesdays, where we'll have new videos on helping you DIY your Nissan Titan or your Armada. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next Tuesday.